Welcome to our channel, a Smart Tech and View. Today, I am showing the video how to use Google Play Store app. Just view on. Click on the Play Store icon. First of all, you must be a sign in the Google Play Store app. Google account must be created. Then they have some features. The manage app and devices, offer notifications, bell icon, payment, subscription, play protected, library, and settings. I am selecting the settings, general preferences, account and device preferences. You may select it out. Emails on Google Play must be on. Your email must be shown at. The notifications bell theme may be selected. You may select it as a theme light or dark as your own will. I am selected as a light. Or in this review, current you have signing out, then you must be explore the Play Store. Once you sign, you will land the Play Store main page. There will be finding the various categories like apps, games, and recommended videos, wherever you search movies, game shows, books, and many more. Then you can explore the Play Store by scrolling for the features selection by that bar at the top. If you know the name of the app, your content, you simply type or search for the app. You may search any one of the things like I'm searching the cam scanner. They may be easily available. You must be assigned. They may show the details, reviews, MBs, or how many downloaded. They also show the app pictures and tell me about sections all about the features apps, what the detailed note of these apps, and must be sure that reviews may be given on that, and similar apps may be given on. You may select any of them, view app details, and install this app easy. When you click on the app and the button is show icons, click on the install. You may just click on the install button. The apps may be installed and play to the your mobile sections below. Tap the three horizontal lines on the top bar that must be shared at to wide listed and flag into the appropriate. If you want to share this app and other ones of your friends, maybe share it through any of the source, whatever you want to send it out. Then next one is that add to the whitelisted. You want to create and add to whitelisted. Next one is that flag the inappropriate. You call that it is an inappropriate app. You must be reported to the Play Store Google Play Store app. Review and rate the app. These may be keywords like Snapchats, all about is available. Next one, I'm telling you the notification bell icon. All these notifications may be below. They may be offered. Some notifications will be given according to their usage of the Play Store app. Some kids information categories are also given. If you want to click on kids, they may show about the kids app. You select about the age 9 to 12, 6 to 8, 8 up 5. So I'm selecting age 6 to 8. All the kids app may be showing it out. You may use it for your kids. Then backing categories. Select the category wall apps, wall faces, art and designs, art vehicles, beauty, book and references, business, comic, dating, education, entertainment, even finance, games, Google chats, health, house, kids, libraries, lifestyles, medical. All about these lists are given. You may select it and one of them, like I'm selecting the home and houses. They may show that their app was waiting. House and home, all about is related to the house and homes. The games, health and fitness. All these apps show that health and fitness apps. You may see it out. Recommended options, workout programs are given it out. Just clicking on the back. Okay. The next one I want to tell you about the update section. You may go on to the update, manage and app and devices, update available. See, when you see when you click on update, all about updates available. Selecting update all these apps should be updated. Once it updated, you may click on the free apps page, sign up with the devices and rates and reviews. All about this given that whatever I posted I unreviewed. So that these apps are showing full exploration of Play Store. Thank you for watching Smart Accent Trick.